Welcome, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are the Baileys. And in today's video, I want to show you guys what I packed for a whole week for the kids' lunch boxes. Usually I work nights, so I come out if it was snowing. I have to clean my car. The drive is much slower because there's snow on the road or ice or whatever. So everything slows down. And I get home around 7:15. And the bus comes at like 8:05. So I have less than an hour to get the kids ready, get the lunch packed, and have the kids out the door and try to catch the bus. Okay, guys, so today's lunch is pogo, and it's pretty much a hot dog wrapped in some kind of bun. Okay, so you can just microwave this for a minute. Huh? Okay, so the pogo is ready. It's hot, and I'm just going to wrap it. Okay, so pogo stick for lunch, juice box. And these, I buy the Oasis juice box because they're like 60% less sugar. And they have yogurt drink every day. And I bought these grapes at Costco. So it's gonna have grapes, watermelon, and then I'm gonna put chips. They like these little bite muffin too. I got this big box from Costco as well, and you can see that 20 of these little packages comes in it, and you'll be surprised how fast it goes. And with bits, I normally give them like one fruit, one vegetable, or two fruit, and always like 3 snacks. So with their lunch. So that's good. Mickey eating egg? Mmm. It's okay, Papa. It's okay. It's okay. Drink your medicine. Come. It's a snow day today, guys, so I have to drop Jaden to school. No bus, and I will have to pick him up back at 3 o'clock. Mickey's going to daycare, and Jojo is feeling sick. So Jojo is home today, and Mickey's going to school because... Joe, why are you smiling? Are you sure that you're sick? Are you sure? Joe, are you...
Mickey's going to school.
No, Mickey is going to daycare. Maybe I made a mistake.
Mickey's not 4 yet.
You're right.
She wouldn't know anything now.
Oh, that's right. That's right. And there goes the school bell. So just like any other kid, Jojo is super happy to be home. This is one of his birthday gifts, and I think it's his absolutely favorite, even though I bought him like a Nintendo Switch, which was so much money. The marble run has outrun me. So yeah, this was from his godmother. And Kika. Morning, guys. So I'm up again. It's Tuesday today, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're having for lunch for Tuesday. So today is chicken nuggets and French fries. I just sprinkle a little salt on the French fries, and I put this in the oven. It takes like 20 minutes, like 10 minutes each side, and it's good to go. So today the kids will be having some vegetables. Jaden doesn't eat cucumber, so I'm just gonna give him just carrots. And these are the sweet baby carrots. I got these from Walmart. And then Jojo has cucumbers. So I got this big box of Oreos at Costco as well, and 4 packages comes inside, and I just get like small Ziploc bags from dollar store to like dish it out on days that I will give them the cookies for their snack. This is really, they like it, so it's good. Okay.
Mommy, why was I born in Canada?
That's where mommy is living, so that's why you were born there. Okay. These little thermos, I bought them at Walmart, and they're great for keeping the kids' food warm. So yeah, this is a good one. Tuesday lunch is all set and ready to go. What's this here, guys? And the boys forget their tickets. Hurry up, Joe. Bye. Love you. It's Wednesday, guys, and today I'm gonna be making hot dogs for the kids. I peeled 1 orange and cut it into half for the boys because 1 for each would be too much, and I don't want them to waste it. And this is the rest of my watermelon that I will be cutting up as well. And these are the snacks that I'm gonna be putting in their bags. They do love hot dogs, so it's good. And we usually have hot dog once a week, which is like easy and quick, and we're out the door. Okay, so Wednesday's lunch is a wrap. Another day, another dollar. It's kind of good to have an idea of what you're gonna give the kids for lunch the next day, so you don't wake up thinking about it, because pretty much I don't have the time. So guys, tonight I'm videoing what I'm making for dinner. It's just gonna be pasta, and I'm gonna cut up like a carrot in it with some hot dog, and I have my sauce here. I'm showing you guys what I'm making for dinner because whatever the leftover is, we're gonna use it in the morning for lunch. Okay, baby. Now I have these 3 sausages. Just gonna cut them out, and I'm just gonna let everything cook one time. So I have like 2 different kind of pasta in here, like a bow tie and then another cut. You rubbing down Tony?
Yeah.
Tony's okay.
Huh?
He's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm just frying up some seasoning here. Now I'm going to add my sauce. So I put my sauce in and I add some water to it. And what I'm going to do now is to just put my own spices. So here I have my Jamaican seasoning salt. Oops. I've had a little of that. My all-purpose Maggi is almost finished. I'm going to put some of that in it. And my Cool Runnings Caribbean roasted garlic spice. And just a little bit of black pepper. Like that.
No, I want to take out the box.
You wanna what?
I want to take out the box.
What box, Mickey?
I want 2
2 boxes?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. Let me come see what you're talking about. So I have my pasta here that I already cooked. And I'm gonna put it in this sauce there. Mickey, you have to get out the box, baby. Mickey, get out that box, please. Okay, so Mickey, so their dinner is ready. Dinner, guys.
Good.
You eating up your pasta, Mickey?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So guys, I just warmed up some of the leftovers from dinner for their lunch today. And as I said before, these little thermos keep their food warm and nice. And they love, love, love it when I do pasta. So usually they eat everything. Thursday lunch is all ready and set to go. We have our pasta in here, some grapes, a little bit of veggie, juice box, yogurt drink, and don't forget the fork, or else they won't be able to eat that lovely lunch that you prepared. So Joe is right there at the back of the line to get on the bus. It is the law to not pass a flashing light school bus. So, once the school bus stops, you see that red light flashing, it's a no-go. So all these cars are behind me and also in front of me, like the ones behind the bus, they can't move until the bus moves off, because if you do, you will be breaking the law, which is kind of good. I kind of understand it, because lots of time the kids like run across the street or whatever and get hit by a passing vehicle. So it's the law to not pass the bus until the bus drives off. Here we go. Bye, my little kiddos. So guys, I don't have any lunch prepared for Friday, or don't have a video because it's a PD day and the kids are gonna be home. But some of the other lunch ideas that I do are like croissant, and I put like ham, and you can put cheese or lettuce in it. We've done Jamaican patties. The kids love Jamaican patties. You just put it in the oven and cut it up, cut it in four really, and put it in a thermos to stay warm. We've done pancakes. I do pancakes just the same as if it's a breakfast. I give them those, those ready-made pancakes. They love them. We've also done macaroni and cheese. That's also another good one that the kids love. So every day you try to put something different, and I try to like change it around each week too. Like if we did this week, then next week I try to skip it until the next following week or so, to just give the kids a little bit of variety and stuff like that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful if you were looking for some lunch ideas and stuff like that. Or you guys can comment under my video if you have any lunch ideas that you think would help us. That would be great. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share the channel with a friend or family if you can, if you like our content. Bye.